Today let us continue the topic addition and subtraction. Our first question is Ravi completes a subtraction calculation but his answer is wrong. Children, here Ravi is subtracting 5724 from 36,804. Let us check his work first. 4 minus 4 0. Here 0. So we can't subtract 2 from 0. So borrow 1 from here. This 0 becomes 10 and this 8 becomes 7. Okay. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 7 minus 7 is 0. But here the number is 1. So Ravi's answer is wrong. The correct work is 36,804 minus 5,724 is 4 minus 4 0. Here 10. 10 minus 2 8. We are borrowing 1 from 8. So this 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 7 0. And 6 minus 5 1. And 3. This is the correct answer. Okay. Here in this step this 8 becomes 7. The next question is Faiza plays a game. She has 5,398 points. She scores another 465 points. Her target is 6,000 points. How many more points does she need to reach her target? So, Faiza is playing a game. She has 5,398 points and she scores another 465 points. So, let us find Faiza's points. Add 5,398 and 465. Okay. 8 plus 5, 13, 3. 1 carry over. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16, 6. 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Then 5. Okay. Now Faiza has 5,863 points. Her target is 6,000 points. Target means 3 points ettanam. Okay. So how many more points does she need to reach her target? Subtract this total points from 6,000. We can't subtract 3 from 0. So borrow from the nearest digit. It is also 0. So start from 6. Take 1 from 6. This 6 becomes 5. 0 becomes 10. Again borrow. This 0 becomes 10. And this 10 becomes 9. This 0 becomes 10. And this 10 becomes 9. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. So our answer is 137. So how many more points does she need to reach her target? She needs 137 points. Okay. So children, she has 5,398 points. She scores another 465 points. So add these two numbers and subtract the sum from 6,000. So Faiza needs 137 points more. Okay. Our next question is, here is part of a temperature scale showing the temperature at Cole Park. Okay. This is a number line showing the temperatures. Here the temperature at Cole Park is given, that is negative 6 degrees Celsius. The temperature falls by 3 degrees Celsius. What is the new temperature? Falls means it is decreasing. Temperature കുറയുന്നതിനെയാണ് falls by എന്ന് പറയുക. Okay. So we can use the number line to find the new temperature. That is, move left on the number line. So 1, 2, 3. Move 3 steps to the left side. So this is a new temperature, negative 9 degree Celsius. Or we can do like this, negative 6 degree Celsius minus 3 degree Celsius. Because the temperature falls by 3 degree Celsius means it is decreasing. Temperature കുറഞ്ഞു വരികയാണ്. So നമ്മൾ മൈനസ് ആണ് ചെയ്യുക. Okay. You already learned about the subtraction of integers. Negative 6 degrees Celsius. Change this subtraction to addition and write the opposite sign of positive 3 degrees Celsius, that is negative 3 degrees Celsius. Here we are adding two negative integers. So add this number 6 plus 3 9 and put the negative sign. This is the new temperature. Okay. Our next question is, the temperature at 8 am is negative 1 degree Celsius. By midday it is 4 degrees warmer. Warmer means ചൂട് കൂടുതലാവണം. Okay. So what is the temperature at midday? So warmer means here the temperature is increasing. So the new temperature, that is the temperature at midday, is negative 1 degree Celsius plus 4 degree Celsius. It is 4 degrees warmer. So we have to add 4 degree Celsius to negative 1 degree Celsius. Here we are adding two numbers with different sign. The sign of 1 is negative and the sign of 4 is positive. So subtract the smaller number from the larger number, that is 4 minus 1. Smaller number, larger number nu subtract cheyanam. You already learned about this, children. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Here the larger number is 4. So the sign of our answer is positive. So answer is positive 3 degrees Celsius. That is, temperature at midday is positive 3 degree Celsius. Okay. Next question is, the maximum temperature in Mongolia during October is 15 degrees Celsius. This temperature decreases by 12 degrees Celsius each month from October to February. What is the maximum temperature in January? The maximum temperature in Mongolia during October is 15 degrees Celsius. Mongolia October temperature 15 degrees Celsius ആണ്. It is decreasing by 12 degrees Celsius each month. ഓരോ മന്തിലും 12 degrees Celsius temperature decrease ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് വരികയാണ്. Okay. That is from October to February. Then what is the maximum temperature in January? So here we have to find the temperature in January. So let us start from October. October temperature എത്രയാണ്? 15 degrees Celsius. Then the temperature decreases by 12 degrees Celsius. Temperature എത്ര വെച്ചാൽ കുറയുന്നത്? Decreases. Okay, decreases means temperature less ആയി വരികയാണ്. So less means we have to subtract. Okay, subtract 12 degree Celsius from 15 degree Celsius. October കഴിഞ്ഞ അടുത്ത മന്ത് ഏതാണ്? November. So to find the temperature in November, subtract 12 from 15 degrees Celsius. Why we are subtracting here? Because this temperature is decreases by 12 degrees Celsius. Decreases, temperature കുറഞ്ഞു വരുന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ subtract ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So 15 minus 12 is 3. So the temperature in November is 3 degrees Celsius. Now find the temperature in December. December 3 degrees Celsius minus 12 degrees Celsius. Okay. Children, here we are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number. So apply the rule. നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ച റൂൾ ഇവിടെ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. 3 ഡിഗ്രി സെൽഷ്യസ് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ എന്നുള്ള സിമ്പിളിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്താക്കണം? അഡീഷൻ ആക്കണം. Then take the opposite of positive 12, that is negative 12. Okay. നമ്മൾ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ റൂൾസ് ഇവിടെ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യണം. So this subtraction becomes addition and positive 12 degrees Celsius become negative 12 degrees Celsius. Here we are adding the numbers with different sign. Different sign. So find the difference of the numbers, that is subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Here 3 is smaller than 12. So 12 minus 3. 12 and 3 minus here 9. And the keep the larger number sign. Here the larger number is 12. So our answer is negative 9 degrees Celsius. Okay, that is the temperature in December. We have to find the temperature in January. So to find the temperature in January, subtract 12 degrees Celsius from negative 9 degree Celsius. Okay. Apply the rule. Negative 9 degrees Celsius. The subtraction becomes addition and positive 12 becomes negative 12. Here we are adding two negative integers. Okay, negative numbers. So add these numbers first. 12 plus 9. 2 plus 9, 11, 1. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 21. Then keep the negative sign. So our answer is negative 21 degree Celsius. So the temperature in January is negative 21 degree Celsius. Okay. So children, here the temperature in October is given and this temperature decreases by 12 degrees Celsius each month. So we are subtracting 12 degrees Celsius from the given temperature to find the temperature in January. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you, children.